Kata jakinera tiro mag oganda pacho ka Boniface Mwangi pod ogeng'negi obila ma piny libamba ma Tanzania. Yangore ni nowinjore duoke pacho ka lep ni mar tend piny Tanzania ok orwako tie mare e pinyno kama nyocha odhiye mar chung mar bedo achiel gi jaketa sirkal Tesre Tundu Lissu ma nyocha nomaki. Yokero ni ratiro oganda e pacho ka bende nogolo duondgi ka ginyiso jatend piny Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan ni gimiye seche 24 mondo owe thuolo Boniface Mwangi kod jago machielo.
Our own citizens, Kenyans, have gone to Tanzania to observe something that is legal. They were not there illegally. They declared what they were there for. There were many. So even singling out one raises suspicion. Why him? Why have they investigated everybody else that was there? What did they say? Did their stories check out? Did everybody that go into Tanzania yesterday to observe say that they were there to observe? And why were they allowed and why was Boniface not allowed?
We are East Africans. We are Africans. Yes. We have the right to visit Tanzania anytime. Yes. And Tanzanians are also free to visit Kenya like they are doing now. They are living here and doing business here in Kenya. Yes. We, the wananchi of East Africa, have got no problem with each other. Yes. It is the presidents of especially these three countries who have got a problem with the wananchi of Jumuiya la Afrika Mashariki.
And when you see leaders acting accordingly, then that means that they have something to fear. They cannot repress people anymore. What happened in Kenya last year is resounding not only throughout East Africa, but the rest of the continent. And there is only so much repression that you can do before people have enough. East Africa community. The meaning of community, I don't think these leaders understand.